lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is Peace. Well, right now we shall be preparing Irish. I'll just go ahead and start peeling all the Irish. Then I'll add salt and cooking oil, cover, and then off to the fire. I'll go ahead and drop in one big onion, tomatoes, curry powder, then I'll pour in water. And then finally Royco. I'll add a little parsley just for garnishing. And I'll go ahead and cover and let it cook for 15 minutes and our food will be ready. And there. Our meal for today is ready. I'll just go ahead and garnish with some more parsley. So that's how our Irish looks like. Please, if you're new, subscribe to my channel, share this video, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.